Assalamu alaikum. I hope all my brother and sister very well. I come back with another crypto review. This video make for a new mining site, but it's a review mining site. Uh, so if you want to know this site, this statement, keep watching my video. First of all, I introduce my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel name is Crypto and Travel. Here is the one part crypto video uploaded in other part travel video uploaded in this. If you get any information, please subscribe and press the bell icon. You will receive all information from YouTube related video. Okay, so don't miss out. I also try to share videos earning site in my YouTube channel. So I hope you will stay with me. So now I go to my main option. So it's a review video about this site. This Novopus investment site. It's new my base mining site. Already 2 months is running. So and every day payout to every member. So if you want to deposit in this site, you get this more earning from this site. Whatever I try to review about this mining site, somehow some share for information for about this site. So what what's the benefit of this site if you investment in about this site? If you get investment in you this site, you more earning from this site. So it's a long time process earning site and long time stay in the mining site. So and it's a really easy earning from this site. If you joining this site, you get 100 USD bonus, and if you deposit this site, you get $5 and also $7 and also more dollar received from this site. The company manager also commitment that if you investment this site, you will receive more bonus from this site. So how was the amount of this deposit this site? So if you personally deposit 30 USD dollar, you get 5 USD dollar. If you deposit 50 USD dollar, you get 7 USD dollar. But it must be first deposit, otherwise no, you could not get this. Okay, so I hope you want to get this bonus. When you open this account, you must be $30 deposit in this site. Okay, and how to get this? When you deposit this $30, you or $50 and more, then you take out your screenshot, and when you come to my video description, here is a Telegram link. You screenshot send to the office manager. He will feedback you, and you when you open this account, you get 100 USD bonus free for 3 days. Okay, but you need to screenshot for your this about information. When you send this screenshot, you will get easily receive this. And how to research this? Here is a research easy process. Go to your wallet and copy now and paste it. Easy deposit in this site. You deposit want to $10, you can easily deposit, and you you get 30 dollars. You get say easily deposit, and you receive $5 of bonus from the company hand. So if you deposit 50 and more, and more bonus from this site. Okay, here is a strategy report. I already deposit this site and already mining, and here is a three type strategy mining set: conservative, reversed, and on aggressive strategy. So here is a show you detailed plan. As my detailed plan show here, every day how many I earning from this area is show here, and expected earning and current earning, all information. It's auto earning from this side. And if you want to withdraw from this side in your investment, you can easily withdraw from this side. You can also profit withdraw. Go to your mine option and select this withdraw option. Minimum 10 USDT needed. Type your wallet address, minimum 10 USD dollar, and verification code. When you click this option, you get a mail and trade password. When you deposit this option, you get a trade password. Okay, you select, must be select this. Here is a security center. It must be modified transaction password. Okay, you click now and to type it in this flag and say this. When you receive this verification code from your mail, then you receive paste here and confirm it. Okay, that's the moon art related in this site. Here is a video already I have making there for you, so don't miss out. I hope you will easily watch it and easily learn from this video. So here, how to registration process I also show you. Very easy process, and how to deposit, how to claim your 100 USDT bonus, all information available. And here is a logging here, and also how to generate manager of this site, Novopus program BD group, also all information available there. So you must be Telegram. And if you get any bonus from this Novopus mining site, so you need to Telegram. If you do not this all information fill up, you cannot give bonus from this company. So I hope you must be join this and earning from this site. So the end of video. I hope you will easily you join this site and everyday earning from it. You receive your withdraw balance 1 or 2 24 hours within time. It's firstly payment proofs, payment site. So inshallah I will make a payment in future video. So so I hope you will stay with me. And if you have any question, please type your this video comment box, and other video comment box. I also reply you inshallah. Pray for me and stay with me. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.